Welcome again to the learning portal for the DP accounting software. Database providers, based in San Diego, California, proudly develops, distributes, and supports this software. In this video, we will discuss the account register within the banking module. The account register is a list of account transactions in chronological order, along with the account balance. We aim to demonstrate how to view the account register and search for specific transactions of interest. We will demonstrate how this account register is updated as bank transactions are entered through normal business activities. Now let's get right into it. From the main menu, click on Register under the Banking module. It is common for businesses to have several bank accounts, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, money markets, CD accounts, etc. We will first select the checking account. After selecting, all bank transactions for this specific bank account are listed and sorted by the most recent date. The current balance of this account is displayed at the top for quick access. Each bank transaction displayed will show details such as the date, the account check number, the type of transaction, the party, the reference of the transaction, and receipt payment reference information. In addition, a checkmark will be provided to indicate if the transaction has been cleared as part of the account reconciliation process. Lastly, the payment or deposit amount and the account balance. When you need to find a specific transaction, the versatile Search All field is your go-to tool. Enter any information related to the transaction you're looking for, such as check number 1037, a customer's check number 23213, or other payment reference. You can even search for transactions from a specific party by entering a few characters of their name, like city. If you are looking for a specific amount, like $156.26, enter it. If there is a matching bank transaction in that amount, it will be displayed. After each entry, click the Enter button on your keyboard to see all bank transactions that match the added criteria. Click Clear Search to clear the filter and return to the complete list of bank transactions for this account. Use the scroll bar on the right-hand side to scroll down the list of transactions. Just a reminder that when viewing all transactions, the account balance is shown at the specific point in time. To view another account, select another account to view its bank transactions over time, once again, with the most recent transactions, by date, on top. Click on the top right X to close the account register and return to the main menu. Now, let us demonstrate how daily activities, such as paying bills or recording customer receipts, will be added to the account register. Let's first look at the payment of a bill. Before we record a payment, let's review the account register for the checking account, which will be used to make the payment. Notice at this moment in time that the current balance of $7,818.57 is shown. Our check is dated April 30th, 2024 and will be for the supplier or vendor Bing AdWords for $125. We expect a payment dated April 30th, 2024, so we expect it to appear within this section. This example records an activity completed in the past. However, our recommendation is to record all transactions at the time of completion so the information within the accounting software is up-to-date and accurate, showing real-time data. Now, let's navigate to the Bills module and record the payment. We start by clicking on the bill we want to record a payment, then select the Check Payment option. To record the payment, we enter the check date, select the account to which the check was issued, and enter the amount or amount paid. Then, click Save and Close to record this payment. Click on the top right-hand corner to return to the main menu. To see how this newly recorded payment is in the account register, select the register and then the checking account. Scroll down to the area dated April 30th, 2024. There, we see the payment recorded. It's important to note that even though we just recorded this payment, it appears in the order of the check date, not the date it was entered. Our new current balance shows $7,693.57 as the payment of $125 was just recorded, reducing the current balance of this account by $125. We will close the register and then look at how the account register is impacted by a customer receipt using the View Invoices in the Invoice module. For demonstration purposes, we'll record a receipt for the customer or party, Brian and Beth Copley, who mailed us a check for invoice 10024, which we received on May 1st, 2024. We click the invoice, choose Check as the payment option. Enter the receipt date, select the account that this money will be deposited into, and enter the customer's check number. Finally, enter the amount paid of $125. Note that the check date and receipt date may differ. The receipt date must be the one entered. After clicking Save and Close, we return to the main menu. Once again, we stress the importance of recording these receipts at the time of receipt. This practice ensures the information within the software is up-to-date and accurate, providing real-time information that is crucial for effective accounting. Let's look at the account register to see this newly recorded receipt. Select Register from the Banking module. Select the checking account. Notice the new current balance now shows $7,818.57, as we have just recorded a deposit of $125. Details are shown. To return to the main menu, click on the X in the top right-hand corner. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that after watching, you understand how to view the account registers within the Banking module and how to search for specific bank transactions of interest using the Search All field. And lastly, understand that the account register is updated as daily bank transactions are recorded. If you found this video helpful, please like us. In addition, click subscribe below so that you can be notified when we release new videos.